Put that down real quick. Let's see if she'll turn now. Talk to me. Still the bottom part. Right, grab the chisel. And that bitch in there. Okay. That's what we do. Another day. Another dollar. Got the L chisel. We'll use his cousin. That's why the chisel's necessary. These little plastic tips. Right. Shit ain't nothing. It's alright though. You gonna come. See how you hit that, baby? You gotta hit that jump 2 times. Make sure you feel it tomorrow. Dang. Alright, let's try this one. Oh, no problem. Just wants to get cut some more. Let me see. Let me see the Got you. I'm afraid to. I had to do it. Oh, ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm gonna turn it this way. A nice little chunk out of it. She going down that way. I think we're making progress. Oh shit. Let me take this chunk out. We should have some kind of way to make it turn now. Still like got like a little chunk in that jam. Yeah, just a little bit though. Like you're close to the what you call it. Whoa. I think that's what's holding it. Split yet. It's not split because it got that, like, you know, that last little piece of metal in there, but it should be ready to go. All right. You know what? I another way to do it. All right, check this out. Make sure your eyes are not in the way. Gotcha. You don't want to cut with a chip jump, but guess what? Should be able to peel it like a banana. Let's see if we can get that good old splitter. Improvisation. Hey, Split. Hey, Split. Hello. Hey. No, that's how you do it. That's not the right way to do it. When you have complications in the in the job, some kind of problem like that, you got 100 years of rust on that thing. You got any advice for the people that's trying to do this at home? Call me. Hey, that's it. That's it. Let's tighten this bad boy back. Took about a good 20 minutes. Then we got the other worker over here, Mika. Mika, say what's up, Meek. She look right at the camera. Some tape. A little Teflon in there. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I think I bought my backup blade. Okay. Take everything out. Underprepared, no worries. Yeah.